In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export and import Google Calendars. Google Calendar is a fantastic tool for managing your schedule, but sometimes you'll need to move your calendar data around. Whether you're transitioning to a new account or simply backing up your information, knowing how to export and import your calendars can be incredibly helpful. Let's dive right in and make it easy for you to manage your calendar data on the desktop using a web browser. First, let's talk about exporting your Google Calendar. Start by opening Google Calendar on your desktop. Once you're in, look for the gear icon at the top right corner of the page. It's small and easy to miss, but it's your gateway to the settings. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, look to the left-hand sidebar and find the option labeled Import and Export. Click on that, and you'll be taken to a page dedicated to managing your data. Now focus on the Export section. You'll see a button here labeled Export. Go ahead and click that button. What this does is it downloads a .zip file to your computer, and within that .zip file, you'll find ICS files for each of your calendars. Once you have that zip file downloaded, you'll want to extract it to access the actual calendar files inside. Simply locate the file in your Downloads folder, right-click it, and choose the Extract option. This process will give you a folder filled with your ICS files. These are the files you'll need if you ever want to import your data elsewhere or back it up. Now, let's shift gears and move on to importing a Google Calendar. It's just as straightforward. Assuming you're still in the Settings menu under Import and Export, navigate to the Import section. This is where you'll bring those Byte ICS files back to life in your Google Calendar. The first step here is to click on Select File from your computer. It's a prompt that allows you to browse through your files. Once you've clicked it, a File Explorer window will pop up on your screen. From here, locate and select the ICS file you wish to import. After selecting the file, you need to decide where these events will appear. Google will ask you to choose which existing calendar you'd like to import the events into. Simply select the desired calendar from the drop-down menu, finally click on Import, and voila, your events are now in your chosen calendar. It's a seamless process that ensures your schedule is just where you need it to be. Remember, knowing how to export and import your calendars not only provides flexibility, but also acts as a fail-safe for your scheduling needs. Keep these instructions handy, and you'll be a Google Calendar pro in no time.